Alright guys, I'm going to try to describe this problem as quick as I can. As you can see here, I have a photo up. It is in the library tab right now. This is as I shot it. It's flat on purpose. But as you can see, as soon as I click the develop tab, it adds a ton of contrast and a bunch of unwanted stuff. And you can see over here, I have none of that selected. And I mean, you can come down here and see that this detail is being added. But this is definitely not the issue. Like, I will turn this off, the detail tab, and literally nothing changes. So I'm really just trying to figure out, because if you come down here, you go back to the library tab, and you go to reset your develop settings, it will reset it. And I mean, it's not my monitor profile. It's displaying it correctly here. It's just in this tab. You see? And it's driving me insane. So I'm hoping you guys can help.